What's up, beautiful people? Today we talk about the 10 best 3D prints for your guitar. If you follow this channel, you might have noticed that I bought this slick Prusa printer, the original Prusa i3 Mark III. And you might have wondered, how does 3D printing and Prestissimo guitar go together? So let me show you the first print. This print is meant to secure the strap to your guitar. Here we go.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite tricky. La 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 la.
Okay, here we go. So, this came out of the Prusa, so the first layer is quite accurate, and I will show you how you can use those strap lock thingies. If you have a standard strap button on your guitar, you can make sure that the guitar won't slip out of this pin if you apply these little helpers. Let's see if they can fit here. And they go into with a little pressure.
A lot of pressure?
But they go all the way onto this strap button. And here you go. The strap isn't able to get off the guitar anymore. Make sure before you start a new print that you clean the print bed with a bit of isopropanol, link in the description, to get a smooth, clean, sticky print. Give it a good rub, let it dry for a couple of seconds, and then you are ready for the next print. So the next item I printed is a neat little tray for picks. So this pick tray is, it's big enough to, well, where you can put in up to half a dozen or a dozen picks. And the cool thing is that there is a slope so that you can get the picks out quite nicely. So this is print number 2.